Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. There Mrs. Baduni MPD as a lecturer in the English course. I am Pepe Nuhalipah from the PGSD 1A study program. On this occasion, I will explain the material about simple past tense and simple future. To save time, just go straight to the material. Simple past tense. Simple past tense is a grammatical tense used to describe action, event, or situation that occurred and were completed at the certain point in the past. It is often used to relate or tell a past experience, tell a story, or provide historical information. Use simple past tense. Number 1. To describe action or event that have been completed in the past. Number 2. To tell a series of events in a story or tell a series of action. Number 3. To express a habitual action in the past, especially if accompanied by time experience such as always, often, usually, and soon. Number 4. To set a specific point in the past when something happened. Characteristic of the simple past tense. Number 1. The simple past tense or past simple always use verb to from irregular verb. Irregular verb to indicate the activity occurred in the past. Number 2. There is the use of was for singular pronoun, namely I, he, she, it, and were. For plural pronoun in the form of we, you, they, us to be the past tense. Number 3. Have time information that explain the past such as last night, yesterday, 2 weeks ago, 3 days ago, and last month. Simple past tense formula. Positive, verbal, subject plus verb to see bought in your book yesterday. Nominal, subject plus was or were plus nominal, the case was hard to solve. Negative, verbal, subject plus did plus not plus verb 1. She did not you book yesterday. Nominal, subject plus was or were plus not plus verb 1. The case was too hard to solve. Interrogative, verbal, did plus subject plus verb 1. Did she buy a new book yesterday? Nominal, was plus were plus subject plus verb 1. Was the case hard to solve? Example of simple past tense sentences. Verbal. Positive, I went to Jakarta with my family last month. Negative, I did go to Jakarta with my family last month. Interrogative, did you go to Jakarta with my family last month? Nominal. Positive, I was at home when she came last night. Negative, I was not at home when she came last night. Interrogative, was you at home when she came last night? Use simple future tense. Use of will. Number 1. For this part, you can use the positive sentence formula with capital will as the main function of the simple future tense. Number 2. Expressing a decision to do something without a plan. Number 3. Expressing an emotion or feeling. Number 4. Expressing willingness and unwillingness. Number 5. Invite or invite other people. Number 6. Express promises. Number 7. Expressing dates. Use simple future tense use of shall. Number 1. Show a desire and unwillingness. Number 2. Expressing an order to other people. Number 3. Ask for advice or instruction. What's the difference shall, will, and be going to? Number 1. Shall and will in modern English. Will is used more often, so you can apply this capital to a subject, namely I, you, they, he, she. It means will. Shall is usually used more for subject A and we for those who are used to speaking English using a more formal British style. Number 2. Be going to just like will. This model phrase can be used for all subjects, namely I, you, we, they, he, she, it. However, the subject can be replaced with am, is, or. Example, we are going to. That's all my presentation of the material. For always, I apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.